Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. Now I get down and get straight to the point. So I'm doing a brake job on a vehicle, and whoever did the brake job did not in any shape or way lubricate the guide pins. One of them was completely stuck and I had to bang it to get it out. If I couldn't have got it out, the whole entire brake caliper and the bracket, because they sell them together, they won't sell them separate, would be replaced. This one has some kind of lubricant on it. I haven't even begun on it, and this one was bone dry and rusted out, and this is the one I was beating on, so I couldn't get it out. All you have to do is take you some inexpensive grease and grease both. I can't do it because I only have one hand, but you put grease all up and down the I'll try to do some of it with my hand, one hand, but you lubricate it completely up and down, even on the threads, and then you would stick this in and out to get grease inside here, because these are your guide pins, and your caliper must move in and out as you're hitting the brakes. If not, you'll make the brake cockeyed and you'll have uneven brakes, or you just destroy the whole caliper. You don't want to do that, and you don't want to replace a whole entire caliper and a bracket, and then you got to bleed the system because somebody was too lazy to lubricate this. This is just a mechanic tip. Please always lubricate your guide pins when you're doing a job. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you benefited from this any shape from way, hit that super thanks button. And if you want to see the videos quicker than anybody else, just hit the join button. It has a lot of perks on it. Thank you.